All right, we're rolling.
Okay. So Hi, I'm Brian Howard. This is living in Marda Loop, kind of Calgary area, and today I have the great pleasure of being here with Griffin and Zach.
Hi, I'm Zach. This is Griffin. We're from G&Z Bike Repair.
G&Z, so Griffin and Zach.
Yeah.
Great. And I just recently connected, I guess, on the Nextdoor app.
Yeah.
Through your mom.
Yeah, we've been promoted through several, like Facebook, Instagram, Nextdoor. It's just a great way to spread the business around.
We've also been handing out flyers, putting them up, store bulletins, stuff like that.
Just things to kind of spread the word.
Yeah. That is awesome. And
We're
you guys
business.
fix bikes.
Yeah, so we're a bike repair business.
And what motivated you to open a bike repair business?
Well, originally this summer we were going to get like Stampede jobs and the usual job for kids our age.
Yeah. How old are you?
I'm 15, he's 14.
Yeah.
And like the usual jobs for people our age, just the usual summer job to help us just make some money.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, due to the virus, those jobs were like cut short. Stampede was closed. Like we were going to get the job. Stampede was closed. My mom wasn't really for like just getting a normal job. But then we thought, well, we've heard that you can make some pretty good money just doing a bike business.
Yeah.
We're big into biking. We mountain bike quite frequently and so forth. So we thought, you know what, let's give it a try. And we recently, about a year ago, we took a bike fixing course for our own bikes at MEC.
Oh.
Then we also used our bikes as well, like our mountain bikes on to experiment, just figure out, tinker, like watch YouTube videos, just figure out how everything works.
Nice.
And once we got it down, we started promoting the
doors.
business, and then
how
we
long
opened.
ago was that? Was it during
That was
COVID-19?
That
right?
was 3-4 weeks ago.
Yeah, we've been running for about a month.
Yeah.
Excellent. Excellent. And what are customers loving most about your business so far?
Well, if you compare us to the bike shops, we do everything for a cheaper price because I don't know, we're not exactly professionals. We're just operating out of my garage, so we can do a cheaper price. And most bike shops are really overwhelmed at the moment.
3 to 4 week wait time.
Yeah, we checked at MEC. It's a 5-week wait to get anything fixed on your bike, and we can turn around a bike in a couple days.
Wow.
So,
a couple of days. Super.
Yeah. So.
And you do pickup.
Yeah.
Yes.
We have a pickup and delivery if you're like.
Thanks to mom.
But yeah, thanks to mom. If you're within the neighborhood, just like Altadore, probably like a 10-15 minute drive, just in a radius, we'll pick up and deliver for a $10 fee.
Okay.
And it's not like $10 per trip. It's just $10 in total. So when we're finished with the bikes,
And
we
does
drop
that
it
go
off.
to mom, or is she volunteering to drive?
If she feels like taking the money, she'll take the money, and if she feels like
It's kind of half and half.
yeah.
That's all fun.
And sometimes she'll stop on the way back and we'll get like a drink or something. So I'll take it.
Right.
You know, we'll use the money towards that. It's just really good to have the option to pick up and deliver because it allows for more customers to be okay. These people have a lot of a cheaper price, don't have a wait time that is almost a month, and you can deliver straight from my house and get it back in no time.
This is exciting.
Yeah, it actually is, and it's great money as well. Like for people our age, especially like we're teenagers, we need to buy our own clothes if we want to get stuff, and coming around money isn't as easy.
And it's a great service.
It is, and it's a great
Yeah.
service. Like if somebody wants their bike tuned up and they're like, oh, I can't use this bike, I have to wait 4 weeks. You can come straight to us in a few days.
Yeah, we can fix 2-3 bikes a day, so
Yeah.
we can get them done pretty quick.
And so what are some of your future goals? Where do you see is it G&Z Repair going?
Well, like university is going to be quite expensive,
Yeah.
and we're going to have to find a way to make money through that. And if this business gets big enough, it could help us pay through university, which would be awesome.
Yeah,
It would make it so that maybe less student loans and more on top of things, not have to be so stressed out about managing everything.
Right.
We could more just like worry less and focus more on our studies.
Oh, that's awesome. Good.
Yeah.
And then, and tell me, are you still getting in this last month of opening the business? Are you still able to find time to get out and ride your own bikes?
Oh yeah, we've been riding bikes actually a lot. We're going on a camping trip for about 2 weeks.
This Saturday.
This Saturday, yeah.
Okay,
So
good.
we're not gonna be.
Well, I'm glad you're going to take care of this one before Saturday.
Yeah, that's what we're doing. We're probably going to get it done tomorrow, and if not, the next day.
Excellent.
Right back to you.
Good. And what do you think of this bike? So this one, I was telling you, this came, my handyman was at my house recently, and I know it, well, actually a year ago, and this was in the back of his truck. And I said, what's that beautiful machine doing in the back of your truck? And he had just cleaned out a lady's basement or something, and she wanted to take it to the landfill. So I saved it from the landfill, and this is going to be my commuter bike. So I've been thinking for in the neighborhood, not too far.
It's like if you fix that thing up, and that's what we're gonna do, you know. It's gonna be shining like that is.
I think I'm going to be envy of the whole neighborhood riding around this bike.
Yeah, that thing. If that thing's from the '70s, I could think
It's almost as old as me, I think. It could even be older. No, it's not 60s. It's 70s old for sure. So also, guys, and tell me, what do you like about living in this neighborhood, this area?
it's clean, it's safe, like it's quiet, and like especially when I was younger, it's just like there was no dangers. There's paths, there's parks, there's everything that like you could just enjoy and not have to worry too much. And the people are so nice. Like it is a wonderful neighborhood.
Nice.
It's great. We've never had a problem with any customers or anything.
Like everything in this neighborhood is just splendid.
Yeah, good.
It doesn't get better than this.
It doesn't get any better. You heard from the man himself. Well, you guys, I look forward to doing business, and I look forward to having this ride ready to ride to work and pick up groceries. And I'm wishing you guys all the best of success.
Thank you very much, and thank you for your time.
Yeah.
Thank you for letting us
Thanks so
have this
much.
interview. This will help us
Anything else? How can customers reach out to you? What's the best way? Is it email, phone, text? Do you have
We do
Facebook
all
yet?
three.
Or what?
We do all of them. We got
Instagram?
So
Are you on Insta?
we should make an Instagram account.
Yeah.
That's a good. Since we totally know how to manage that, that's a really good idea. We have an
So we'll
email.
look for Insta. What is it?
G&Z Bike Repair.
G&Z
That could be
Bike Repair. Watch for it on Insta. Where else can they reach out to you?
We have GZ, just not with the end because Google wouldn't allow it, but GZ Bike Repair gmail.com. That's
Cool.
our
But
company
you can
email
also
address.
get us on our phone numbers. I'm at 403-992-0548.
And I'm 403-613-0400. And like either of them work. Phone numbers is the easiest for us because when we're working and like on the bike we can get a ding in our pocket and we're totally understand.
Okay, well, we'll include all those links in the show notes.
Yeah.
Any ask of our customers? Our viewers?
Just keep in mind, like, we can provide as good of a service as the other bike repairs for a lesser wait time, a cheaper price, and you're supporting local businesses, local small businesses that are trying to grow.
That's it, folks. We're out. Enjoy the show.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.